The best UK residential mortgage rates this week, mortgage market update, autumn 2024. So this week I wanted to jump on the computer and have a look at the best mortgage deals available to first-time buyers, as rates have recently been decreasing across the board, which is great news, as well as income enhancing criteria, which we can discuss as well. Let's jump onto the computer. Every quarter I'm going to do a mortgage market update with the best UK residential mortgage rates for first-time buyers as each season changes. So we'll have autumn, winter, spring and summer. And of course you'll get a bonus tip this week. This week I'll be letting you know which mortgage lender will consider 1 year's bonus and take 100% of this in addition to your basic income. 99% of mortgage lenders want you to have 2 years worth of bonuses with the same company, which they will then average it. So be sure to stay until the end where I will reveal that mortgage lender. Right, let's jump onto the computer and have a look at the best UK residential mortgage rates this week. And by the time you're watching this video, just remember that rates may have changed. Hopefully they've gone down even more. Right guys, okay, so let's start with a property price of 200,000 and with a 5% deposit. So let's have a think. 20k is 10%, so 10k. So loan amount 190 here. 95% loan to value. And we'll have a look. This obviously is for first time buyers. We'll have a look at 10% and 15%. Okay. And 200k is roughly, you know, quite a common loan amount. So if you're buying at 400, just double everything. If you're buying at 300, double everything and take half of the additional payment on top. And obviously if you're buying at 100,000, then half it. And that should give you a good idea. Savings, let's go for 35 years. Okay. And see what we got. Now, filters, I'm going to go with fixed rates. Okay. Now, I need to let you know that if we go for fixed rates, this is not, available for everyone. This is not specific advice for everyone. Everyone has their own unique individual needs. So a fixed rate's not going to suit everyone. This is purely for the purpose of showing you the rates and the APRs. Okay. And we're gonna look at all fixed rates. Okay, no, we're not. We're gonna go 2 year and 5 year. That's what we're gonna do. So let's go with the 5 and search mortgages. 5 year fixed rates currently are better than 2 and 3, and the reason for that is a few things. The lenders that provide the enhanced income multiples like Nationwide and Principality, they want you, or more like Nationwide, they want you to take 5 year fixed rates out. And also other lenders, they just feel more secure with that. 2 years a bit of a higher risk. Okay, so 5.03%. There we go. Leeds Building Society, £962, buying at 200k over 35 years with a 5% deposit. Okay, I need to let you know the APR as well. Okay, that is 7%. Annual percentage rate calculation. That is the rate, and it takes all the fees into account as well. Okay, and then works out what your overall annual percentage rate is. Okay, that does include every possible fee that is there. So even early repayment charges, things like that. Okay, so not a bad rate at all. 5.03% with a 5% deposit. Okay, Leeds, Virgin, Nationwide, Helping Hand. Let's have a little look at the 2 year fixed rates here. Okay, and then we'll have a look at the 3 year. So we're on 5.03% at the minute, which was the least expensive deal, taking all fees into account. 2 year, we're looking at 5.34. Okay, so To close the gap a little bit, we're looking at an annual percentage rate of 7.6. Okay, 2-year fixed rate. 999 fee added to the loan. On the last one we looked at, there was no fees at all. Free valuation. Okay, £1,005.84 per month, so a little bit more. And then what we got on the 3-year, then we'll look with a 10% deposit and a 15% deposit, and we'll finish it there. 3-year, 5.32. So very similar. Nationwide, £1,003 per month, 7.4% annual percentage rate calculation, 999 fee. Okay, so nationwide, if you earn 30k as a minimum or 50 as a joint, they will lend you now 6 times income, which is fantastic news for first-time buyers. Okay, we're now going to look at a 10% deposit, so 180. There we go, 90% loan to value. We'll keep everything else the same. We're going to kick off with the 3-year fixed rate, 4.94. So we come down a little bit, 0.4%, something like that. Accord Mortgages. So they are a broker-only lender. They're part of the Yorkshire Building Society. One of my favourite lenders. Will do up to 5.5 times income for both employed and self-employed. But the minimum earning threshold for that is 50k, I believe. And then we've got Nationwide, 4.95. Okay, the APR's 7.2. Cashback 250 and a 995 arrangement fee, free basic valuation, £906 per month. Let's go to the 2 and finish off with the 5. So we're on the 10% deposit here for first-time buyers. Okay, West Brom, 2-year fixed. Wow, 4.99. Not bad at all for a 2-year fix with a 10% deposit. Okay, they'll actually give that rate for 30 months, so a little bit more. Nationwide, they always seem to be up there, 5.04%, 7.5 APR. West Brom, 6.5 APR. Good all-round deal there, 999 fee added to the loan, free basic valuation, £911.65 per month. Let's see what the 5s are doing, see if we can shave off that 4.99, probably 4.6 something maybe. Oh wow, 4.49. Fantastic rate there. Just dropped this week by Nationwide. Helping Hand product, 6 times income. 6.7 on the APR, 5-year fixed, 999 fee added to the loan. £0 for your basic valuation, so free basic valuation, £855 a month. Pretty good, 10% deposit, buying at 200k. And finally, let's look at a 15% deposit. Okay, so that would be 30k, so 170, 85% loan to value. We're starting on the 5-year fixed rate, which will be the best one. And for any of those wondering, this is our software that you get as a qualified mortgage broker. Okay, Nationwide again, 5-year fixed rate, 4.14% with a 15% deposit. Hopefully won't be too long before we start breaking into those 3s with 15%, maybe even 10%. Valuation fee, £0. 999 arrangement fee, 6.5 on the APR. £771 per month. 771.63 with a 4.14% rate. 5-year fixed rate. Is that the Helping Hand? No. Okay, the 4.19% is the Helping Hand, so that's what they'll do the 6 times your income on. 6.6 APR, 5-year fixed. 500 cashback paid to your solicitor. 999 fee added to the loan, £776.82 a month. Pretty good looking rate there. Let's check out the 2 and the 3, probably fairly similar. 15% deposit, buying at 200k. Okay, so that's the 30k deposit. Nationwide, 2-year fixed rate. You won't get the enhanced income multiples, 4.49%. Accord, okay, Accord mortgages there. Nationwide, you can see that this is a lower rate, 4.47 compared to 4.49, but overall over the 2 years this works out more expensive. Okay, we can see 21k you're paying back 21,908, where this one's 20,462. Okay, so you're about 1,400 quid, 1,400 quid cheaper over the 2 years, which is why it puts this at the top. It's not all about the lowest rate. You see you've got 500 cash back. No, you haven't got cash back. That was another one. Okay. You've got lower monthly payments, of course, £808.28. And Accord has £250 cash back. But overall, taking all fees into account, here's the part of the saving. This fee here is £1,995 added to the loan, and this one's £999. So that's, £1,000 difference there. Okay, so finally, let's have a look at the 3-year fixed rate. Nationwide again, £802.99 a month, 4.44% fixed, 7.10 on the APR. Santander's up there, new build, 811, 4.53%, 6.8 on the APR, 99 fee added to the loan, 811.84 a month. So, anywhere between 800 to roughly £1,000 is what you're going to be paying each month, dependent on your deposit. Obviously, the more you put down, the lower the rate. And if you go for the 5-year fix, that's the better product at the moment. You get enhanced income multiples and less with principality, as we see here, this little here, up to 4 applicants, 4 incomes accepted with their income boost product, up to 5.5 times loan to income for first time buyers, 100% overtime income accepted. And they've just introduced, they will do this product on a 2, 3 and 5-year fixed rate. That was the bonus tip today. Okay, I'll mention it at the end of the video as well. Back to the video. Bonus tip. Okay, so this week's bonus tip. If you've received quarterly bonuses, monthly bonuses, this is not commission, by the way, it must show as a bonus on your payslip, literally have the words bonus, or maybe you've received the bonus within the last 12 months, then Virgin Money will consider taking 100% of this bonus on top of your salary without the requirement to have 2 years with the same company. You're welcome. Mortgage warning. As a mortgage is secured against your home, it could be repossessed if you do not keep up the mortgage repayments. Okay, if you want to have a look at your mortgage options and what mortgage rates apply to you, but don't want to do it yourself and you want to use the services of a mortgage broker, then just get in touch with us and book a free, no obligation chat using the link in the corner of the screen. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you in the next one.